There's a stop button up there. All right. So that's how I know I'm screen recording. What I'm going to need you guys to do is go to self-service. Okay. Type Adobe in here. If you don't know what self-service is, it's all the little tweaks and stuff that the district wants you to do. I don't think we'll need this. It was for a glitch, but if we need it, that's where it is. Yours is going to say install. Adobe Create Cloud Mac. Oh, it's going to reinstall it now. It was already installed. This confuses everybody because it always says reinstall. So it'll get stuck there for a while. This has to be done on campus. It won't let you install this from home. So when it finishes installing, it will say reinstall. Okay? It doesn't mean you have to. It means you can. So let me finish running through this, Devin, and then I'll take your question because I'm just about done. So it's always important after you've installed that and it seems like it's not working to go see if it worked. You go into your you go into Finder, go into your Applications menu, in your Adobe Acrobat, and this is what you have. Oh no, that's Acrobat, sorry. You are looking for Adobe Creative Cloud is what it is. Don't run it yet. Don't run it yet. I have to set up a license for you through the school district. And if you mess this up, they'll want to charge you like $50 a month. So wait till I get your license set up, then we'll go through the installation of it. What you're putting on your thing is the install file. So it's just step one, okay? That make sense? All right.